Good morning, guys, and yeah, I'm just at home right now, and yeah, it's a bit bright. That's it. So yeah, I'm just at home right now, and I haven't had a shower, and I stink. But yeah, so I just got this thing from Sean. I'm just gonna unbox it. It's nothing new. It's something I got. Oh, one more thing. Where did I place that shit? Okay, I got it here. So first thing I got from the mail today is this one here. It's the light, and it's free, and it's tiny key holder light. Has two levels, on and off, and then when you turn this all the way out, you can see a USB charging thingy. So yeah, it's free and fairly good light. Two levels, level 1, level 2, level 1, level 2. So yeah, I was expecting a red one because I had a place on the dispatch information that they're going to send me the red one. So they have the red, the black, and this one. Shit, I haven't had a shower, so my face is like, this is the raw me when I got out of bed. Yeah, so I'm looking at this. It's really good, and I don't want to use it, but I should, because it's for free, and it's a key holder thing. Comes with a sticker, that one. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. This is actually an item that Sean's lending to me, and yeah, it's sent through express post, and surprisingly it'll arrive within 24 or less than 24 hours to me, so that's a good thing. I still have class though. Yeah, I'm just recording it now because I'm having a headache listening. So yep, here it is. Okay. Come on. Okay. Whoopsie. Sean wrapped this so well that I'm having a hard time opening it. My God, Sean. You just wrapped this thing like hell. There you go. So what do I have here? A lot of these and these, and I have this one from the main guy himself, street_apertures. It's a charger. A few batteries here. Okay, so this is the main thing. It's a lot of shit here, Sean. Here it is. Okay. It's well wrapped. The hell, Sean? It's his favorite camera. Okay, yeah, here it is. So I got the ricoh GR2. Really feels good in the hand. So I'm just letting this from him. I'll be doing some street photography, street photography. I don't know if I can go to the streets these days because we're on lockdown, but yeah, I'm gonna test it. So what I like about this camera here is that when you turn it on, it takes seconds to, that's quick. Yeah. So I'll be testing this in the next few days. Thank you again, Sean. I've tested this before, but I'm really itching to try it again because, yeah, it's nothing to shoot these days, so I might as well do street photography or just go around the block and take photos with this. I have a lanyard. That's good. I'm going to put a lanyard on this. Thanks again, Sean. And yeah, one more thing. Just check it out. It's the ricoh. Awesome. Okay, guys, from the last few videos that I had, like 3-4 videos prior, I was so disappointed. I was so down. I was really not myself. And the thing is, I was feeling bad about my creativity because nothing's going on. Like I tried to do a lot of vlogs and videos and everything else, but I didn't like it. Yeah, and still now I'm still doing the regular vlog things that I do like now, and yeah, I'm not really happy with it. I want an all-around video, but the thing is, I'm so busy. I have a lot of things to do. I want to jumpstart myself and do the ones that I like, the videos that matters and everything. But either way, I was thinking again and again, and then these vlogs, this usual vlogs that I put in, it's not that they're crappy or everything. It's just like keeps me going. Like every time I upload a video, it's not that grand as everything, but it keeps me going. It makes me happy sometimes. Something like that. It's just that I was just looking for some more. That's why I was a bit disappointed with my previous vlogs. And yeah, the thing is, it's frustrating, but you do what you do. And as of now, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this vloggy and formal vloggy things that I do, because yeah, it keeps me going. But yeah, I still have this thing. I still have this goal of doing good videos, especially when the lockdown's taken up. Today's the 9th of September, so 9/9/20. We're still on lockdown, and it was supposed to end the weekend. The thing is, or the second week of September, but it's been postponed for 2 more weeks, so it's gonna end by the end of September. So we're still on lockdown right now. It's frustrating to a lot. It's frustrating to me, but I'm not that greatly affected. I'm affected by what I do, like my classes and everything. But some people, the businesses, they're closing. A lot of it's a big damage, this pandemic thing. Yeah, if I come to think about it, if I think more about it, the thing is, I think no. If I put my head on it, I always think that yeah, there's a lot of things like businesses closing, businesses back home in the Philippines and here, good businesses, they're closing. Even my photography and some videography business, they're on hold right now, and there's no money going around, and it's frustrating. Like how people gonna go on with their lives. We're a bit lucky because Laura has a job and it keeps on going, and her job is essential, so that's a good thing. But yeah, it's really frustrating for a lot of people, and for me also, because I don't have my job and everything. But in a good way, I'm just gonna think of it as everybody needed a reset. This thing that we're doing needed a reset, and everybody just appreciate their job from now on. Like yeah, to those who lost their jobs, to me who don't have a job, I'm gonna appreciate my job once I get it back, and then once I go out, when we're allowed to go out and we have the vaccine and everything else, we're gonna appreciate life more. So I'm just gonna put it that way. Although I'm so depressed and everything of what's going on, and people like me not able to go out. But yeah, just put it in a nice way. Look in the brighter side. Let's just say that once everything's over, we're gonna put importance to everything we do, and a lot of things like going to the park would be like, man, I miss this and everything. So we're gonna put more importance in it in the future. I don't know if you're getting my point. I haven't had much sleep also, from my last vlog. But yeah, that's just me trying to say that let's just look at things on the brighter side. Although everybody's affected, I'm affected, you're affected, everybody's affected. Let's just look for some things that are pretty much positive. Laura's calling me. I need to answer the call. Hold on. Okay, so that was a quick call with Laura. I'm playing with my knife. It's a fidget spinner or something for me. Look at that. Sorry about that. I just had to play for it. But anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna go back and try to finish things because a lot of things to finish, and I'm just so late. I'm really fucked up. Really fucked up. I hate it. Okay, that's it for now. Bye.